Those who listen to the teachings are like Dharma vessels or pots. There are 3 defects of the pot one should avoid. While listening to teachings, we should carefully examine ourselves to see whether we have any of these defects. Otherwise, however supreme and profound the Dharma teaching is, we won't receive any benefit. 1. The upside-down pot. When you are listening to the teachings, whether in front of a teacher or through videos, you should listen attentively and not get distracted by anything else. If you are distracted while listening to teachings, you will be like an upside-down pot on which liquid is being poured. 2. The pot with a hole in it. It is not enough just to listen attentively. It happens that Dharma students just listen without remembering anything that they hear. Such Dharma students will be like a pot with a hole in it. No matter how much liquid is poured into it, nothing can remain. 3. The pot containing poison. If you listen to the teachings with the wrong attitude or motivation, the Dharma will not only fail to help your mind, but also be changed into something non-Dharma, like nectar, poured into a pot filled with poison.